Hello YouTube, and welcome back. What we're going to take a look at today is the Celestron PowerSeeker Accessory Kit. This is an excellent kit for the beginning astronomer to expand the use of their telescope. It gives them several items that are very useful to them, but it's a very inexpensive package. I believe I picked this up for about $24 from Amazon.com. So with that, let's take a look at the PowerSeeker Accessory Kit. First off, as you can see, it comes in its own carrying case. It's very well constructed. It's hard plastic. It says Celestron on the top. Open it up, and it's foam padded. It comes with a cleaning cloth designed for cleaning lint and such off of lenses. It comes with two lenses, a 15mm and a 9mm Kellner lens, and it comes with three different filters. It comes with a blue filter, a moon filter, and a red filter. So let's take a little bit closer look at these items. Okay, we got the pieces out of the case so that we can take a look at them individually. Like I said, it comes with two Kellner lenses. These are designed for 1¼ eyepiece accessories. For those of you who are just getting started into astronomy, there are two basic sizes of eyepieces that are out there on the market: 1¼ which is the most common, and then there's a larger 2-inch set of lenses. But these are 1¼ inch. And like I said, it comes with a 15mm lens, which means the lens that you're actually looking through is 15mm in diameter. And it comes with a 9mm lens. Now, Kellner lenses have been out on the market for quite a while. They're inexpensive lenses, but they do work. Colossal lenses are a little bit better, but you're going to pay more for them. And like I said, I am putting this out there, showing this to you because this is an excellent kit for the budding astronomer, especially nowadays. You have to stretch your dollar as far as you can. This is an inexpensive way to upgrade your first telescope. And everything here works, and it works well. Now, it comes with, also, I had mentioned, the cleaning cloth, but it comes with three filters. Filters are a very valuable accessory for the amateur astronomer. And the three that this kit comes with, the first one I'm going to talk about is the moon filter. Basically, it's kind of greenish in color, and the moon is so bright that actually to see any real details on the surface of the moon, you do need to cut down the amount of light that is being absorbed through a telescope. Now, a lot of people I've noticed out on Amazon and some others say, well, I don't know how to use these filters. Well, I'm going to show you now. All eyepieces, and it doesn't matter if they're Kellner, Colossal, or any of the other ones, they are all threaded inside the barrels. This is called the barrel. They're all threaded on the inside, and the way you do or use a filter is the filters are also threaded. And just be very careful. These are very, very fine threads, but you can feel it, and once it catches, just screw it on, and now you're ready to put it into your eyepiece holder. Also, let's see, you're ready to just put it in and out. So that's how you use filters. Now, the filters themselves also have threading on them because as you become more advanced in astronomy and you want more detail, especially on planets, you may want to stack a couple of filters together. And so they just thread together and then thread onto your eyepiece. But this particular set comes with a red filter. And just give you some idea what the red filters are used for. This is a number 25. There are different numbers, which means they have different amount of light that they're cutting out. But this is good for, seeing some of the details on Saturn, the polar ice caps of Mars, seeing more detailed on Mercury. And also, it pulls out some of the more bluer clouds. I know it's red, but it pulls out the bluer tints in the planet Jupiter. Blue is, believe it or not, is good for seeing the giant red spot of Jupiter and pulling out some of the reds in the Jupiter cloud bands. It's also useful for seeing details on Mars as well as Mercury. Now, the blue is also really good for viewing comets, and I know we're going to have a big comet coming in at the end of this year, and it really helps bring out the best definition in a comet's gas tail. So the blue filters are going to be very useful for that. So there it is, the Celestron PowerSeeker Accessory Kit for $25. This is a really nice little deal for the budding astronomer on a budget. Like I said, yes, it is Celestron, but it will work with an Orion telescope, which I use it on an Orion. It'll work on a Meade. It'll work on Celestron, because all of the astronomy companies have agreed on certain sizes for eyepieces. So even though it's not the same company as your telescope, it will work on your telescope as long as your telescope accepts 1¼ eyepieces. So thank you for stopping by. Please subscribe, and wishing you clear skies.